farted. Okay, can you stop making noises so I can record?
Oh my god.
Yep. What's up, guys? My name is Travis, and welcome to the channel. Okay, that's good enough. That's all I need. Let's go. So I bought a camera, bought a computer, and already had a car, so there's a platform to make a YouTube video, so why not? So on this channel, we're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. I'm going to be building my S13. It has an SR20 motor to go into it. I already had it in. I'm going to explain a little later in this video on why it's not in the car anymore, and if you're a car person, if you're in anywhere near the car scene, you're going to know why the SR is not in the car, because it's a typical SR thing. So away she goes. So my car is a 1991 Nissan 240SX. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen right now. So the car, I bought it in October of 2015, I think. So I've had the car for 4 years. Oh my god! This thing has been my baby ever since. I learned to drive on it. I did a bunch of stuff to it. It started out as an automatic Hikis model car, if you know 240s. Hikis is basically, so if you're doing under, it's 10 miles per hour, so it's about 15 kilometers an hour. Your rear wheels will actually turn with the fronts. Not a lot, it's I think 5 degrees. But it's just rear steering for maneuverability in parking lots and stuff, I guess. I have it deleted. It's pointless. Everybody deletes it. I'm going to do a full breakdown video on what I've done to the car, what's done currently, and then we're also going to do another video on my SR, because it's not just your typical run-of-the-mill SR. It's got fully forged internals, a titanium valve train, a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to go over in detail everything that I have done to it, from the oil pan to like the turbo lines, like everything I'm going to go over. I'll probably do a build breakdown of my 240 as it sits right now, and then I have a lot of plans for what we're going to do to this car, and that's kind of why you're here, because you guys can join me, you guys can watch. I'm going to do a lot of in-depth, like detailed tutorials, because I've noticed that, for example, I was on YouTube looking for videos about rebuilding an SR, specifically putting on all the accessories after all the bottom end, top end work's been done and the head's been put on, and timing and everything set up. But there's not a lot of videos. Like you'll find a lot on like taking your SR out. And even if you do find videos that have everything you're looking for, they're not super descriptive. So I'm going to work on doing a more descriptive way, if that makes sense. So hopefully what this will build into is, if you need to do something to your SR or your 240 or some other cars that I plan on acquiring eventually, then we'll be all good. And we'll have lots and lots of in-depth detail. It should be good, and we're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff too. A bunch of my friends are car people. We all like to hang out, do car stuff. We go to meets. I'm personally gonna go down to a lot of the meets in the States, because I am from Vancouver, BC, Canada. Yes, I'm Canadian, and no, I don't live in an igloo, but I also plan on going to drift events down in the States. We actually just got a new event up here that I'm going to start going to. It's, I think, monthly or something like that, but I'm really excited, so I need to get this thing on the road and running and tuned and dynoed, and oh my god, there's going to be so many videos coming your way. Don't you fret, we're not going to run out anytime soon. If you wonder who I keep looking at over here, it is Brittany. Say hi to the people, the new people.
Hi.
What should they do? Like, comment, subscribe. So I'm gonna ask you that again, okay? she's a rookie. Doesn't have the experience that I do. See, the point is that I can edit all of my mistakes out, but I can keep all yours in.
Yeah.
Okay, so what should the people do if they're new here? Like,
Like,
comment, subscribe, and share it.
like, comment, subscribe. Check out his channel.
Share it.
Watch his videos. Share. Tell your friends.
Tell your family,
Tell your dogs. Your pets.
your cats, your distant
Animals.
cousin that you haven't talked to in 6 years because
Your
some
grandma's-
family beef happened,
Your grandma's goldfish.
and your mama's broom.
Oh.
All right, get the hell out of here.
Okay.
Okay, so now to the interesting part of the video, which I'm sure by the title, it'll probably be something like introduction and how I blew up my SR20. So yes, you heard me right, I blew up my SR. I lost compression in cylinder 4, if I'm remembering right. I blew it up about a year ago, so this build has been on hold for a year. So yeah, I lost compression in cylinder 4. I spun a bearing in cylinder 2, which is a common SR problem. What else? I blew my eBay spec turbo, my eBay T25-8 hybrid, blah blah blah. That was like $6 probably on eBay. It was a rough go. I mean, I kind of deserved it. I kind of, you know, messed around quite a bit. I did a lot of fun stuff with that car. I'm gonna put a couple videos in right now, so let's just... So yeah, as you can tell, I really liked Rev Limiter with stock valve train and stock internals. I really liked seeing the car shoot flames. I like doing burnouts. I like drifting. I like abusing this bad boy, bad girl. I haven't decided if my car's a girl or a boy yet. I think it's supposed to be a girl because I'm a guy. But yeah, so yeah, this is my only car right now. Luckily enough, Brittany has been nice enough to let me drive her Mini Cooper S. I think it's mainly because I take care of it. I wash it. I maintain it. Yeah, it's pretty dirty right now. We're also going to be doing work on the Mini. I plan on buying another vehicle in the next couple months. I also have another plan for something else I want to do. I don't want to talk about it yet because it's not a set in stone idea, but I got an idea. I got an idea that I'm going to need some help from some local enthusiasts, so it'll be good. It'll be fun. Anyways, that is all I have for right now. I'm about to record another video, which will probably be like the third video on the channel. I have recorded before this. Just a fair warning, I had the stock kit lens on this, and the autofocus and stability was very, very loud. I think I mentioned it in the third video that'll be up on the channel, but I just want to say it again right now. So yeah, just bear with it for a video or two. The video after that will be on this lens, and yeah, I think we're good. All right. So yeah, leave a comment for me if you are excited for this. I'm gonna try and be as interactive as possible. You can follow me on social media. I tend to use Instagram the most, so you can follow me at 240_Travis. I'll put a link in the description to all my social medias. I don't use Twitter a lot, but if that's something you guys want me to be on, and putting the videos on and letting you guys know if a lot of you guys use Twitter, I'll jump to that. I'm probably gonna put together a Facebook page so you guys can go there. All the videos will be posted on there. I'll put polls, see what you guys want to see. I want to be really interactive with you guys and make sure that I'm getting community feedback like, oh, I am being too in-depth about this, or I'm not going into enough specifications about this, or one of my videos messed up when it uploaded. That way I can know right away. So I'll probably be scrolling through the YouTube comments all the time. Go shoot me a DM on my Instagram, everything like that. So it'll be good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.